Okay, so it is about December 19th actually. It's Ava's birthday, my granddaughter's birthday. She's 8 years old today. She's in Florida. I'm up here, but hope she's doing well. She always watches the videos. So happy birthday, Ava. So basically today my goal is, because we're going to have some really cold weather. We're going to have a blizzard come through. And they said we're going to be with wind chill about 25 below zero. So right now I'm going to go and load up some. So as with most of the states, you know, up in this area, we're going to have some really cold weather. So better safe than sorry. I'm going to fill up all the water troughs, make sure everything's going, because without electricity, we can't use the well, you know, because it's run from electricity. So we're going to fill up all the waters and the extra waters and things like that. Worst case scenario, well, we have to take the generator down to the well and do that, you know, worst case scenario, but it's better just to fill all the waters beforehand. The Nellie over here, she's eating her minerals. We try to keep the loose minerals out for them. And we put it in that paint bucket right there, but they step on it and flip it all over the place, but as long as they get it. She's having her minerals. Good. Salty, huh? Was all cut last. The trees were chopped last winter, and then we split them a couple of months ago. And I just want to show you what it's supposed to sound like when it's ready. You hit it properly. That sound, that crisp sound, that lets you know that this wood is actually dry and it's going to burn. Oh, okay, well. We just started icing. Ice is falling from the sky. See if I can catch some. Thought it was raining, but Okay, well, it's the end of the day and it's time to put the goats back in the barn. I don't let them stay out overnight because the neighbor got 2 mountain lions a couple weeks ago, so they go in the barn where it's safe and I can sleep. Ready? Ready to go, girl? Had a busy day? Huh? Alright. Alright, well, Chai's first. Right, Chai? Come. Bella. Doggy wants to play. Alright, so Bella's first. Chai's first. Been a busy day. Out we go. That's right. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Curry, it's your turn. Come on, Curry. Not you, Tiamat. No. It's Curry's turn. Come on. You know that. Curry's gonna win. Come on, Curry. It's your turn. You know that, right? Oh. eating coconut. Bella, stop. Come. Let's go. Tima. Right now. Let's do this. Okay. Out. Stop. No. No. Coconut. Let's go. Okay, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I was talking about how when you're loading an animal that's at the bottom of the totem pole in hierarchy into a fenced area or contained area, it's a weird fight. So I'm going to take Coconut on her leash through here, and you're going to see the other goats headbutt the gate, and their horns are going to come out if it's not too dark. So here we go. Come on, Coconut. Let's go, sweet. Go. So we're going to have to run through real fast. You ready? Hey, come here. You ready? Go. Go. Okay. You made it. Good girl. All right. Go, Chris. Okay. So every night it's the same way. If I try to put her in first, then Chai goes bonkers because she wants to be first because she thinks, she's first. So they're all in here for the night. Everybody's going to be bedding down. Night, Curry. Night, ladies. Good night. So everybody's eating. Oh, it's too dark to see. All right, then. Good morning, welcome to Viking Mountain Ranch. Well, this morning we're getting ready for the blizzard. So according to the weather reports, with the wind chill factor, we're going to be at 25 below zero. With the wind chill, and the regular temperature is going to be -6. So we're getting ready. You can see it's hasn't started snowing yet, but I looked on the weather radar and it's going to be here within the hour. So right now we're getting all the animals fed up as much as we can. Getting the goats milked one last time because this is supposed to set in for 2 days. And so, I'm down to milking them once a day now anyway because they're all pregnant and they're about time to stop milking them for good until after, until next spring. So right now, all the animals are getting ready to get fed. And the ducks are over here. They're eating up and they're preparing. They know something's up. Right, guys? Pom-pom. Let's go get some food. Come on, everybody. Let's go. And I got all of the houses, bundled up as much as possible. The turkey house door. It's going to be a northwest wind. The chickens, that's the north there, so it's not going to bother them too much. The goats, I got their trench dug nice all the way around. They should be okay. Let's let the chickens out here. Good morning. Come on out, guys. Little barn chickens are coming out. Hey, it's dark in here. Everyone's still sleeping. Come on out, girls. I got their door all tarped off and visqueened up, so they should be toasty and warm in here. And then working on getting the faucets coated with the rubber Armaflex insulation. Hopefully we don't bust pipes and freeze, and then we won't have water. So I'm getting all the waters filled this morning, get everything done as much as possible, and then in a couple days it will be nice and warm again. The house is loaded up with firewood, so we shouldn't have any problem with the the fire. Even if we do lose electricity, that's fine. We can always use the propane cooker if you need to. What's up, guys? What are you telling me? Yeah, I know. Something's up, isn't it? You can feel it. Morning, chickens. Come. We don't have a barn for the cows or anything like that, so we parked the bulldozer over there on the edge of the hill over there, if you can see it in the distance. And that way they could go behind it, and it's a windbreak for them. All they want to do right now is eat. Hey, good morning. All right. It's a funny smell in the air. You can smell a change. The dogs are all tarped off, and they have their igloos inside of that, so they should be okay. Right, Merlin? Good morning. Good morning, Merlin. How you doing, boy? I'm gonna feed you too. Good boy. And Bella's still in there sleeping, isn't she? Good morning. He's adorable. He's my little mountain cur. He's 4.5. Here's Bella. Come on out, Bella. Good morning. Good morning, sweetie. And I filled up their igloos inside. Oh, he wants to play. Filled up their igloos yesterday with a lot of straw, so they have nice cozy bedding in there. All right, let me get your food. The dogs, because I have so many eggs and we can't eat all the eggs, each dog gets about 7 eggs a day. So they got a nice little layer of fat in there. Right, Bella? You like your eggs? They just want to play. They love the cold. It's right now it's 29 degrees out here. Not too bad. I'm really getting accustomed to the cold. I don't mind the cold at all. Just don't want the wind. Okay, well, the storm is starting, and I just wanted to film it at the very beginning. So the snow has just started coming down, and the wind is starting to pick up. It's chilly. So it's dropping like 10 to 15 degrees every hour. So we have snow on the ground. All the animals should be up. I know the chickens are up. I closed the chicken door. The goats are in the barn. The 3 little wild chickens are in there. The boy goats are in their house. The ducks are sleeping. Turkeys are up. So this is the beginning of it. We'll see how it goes. It's supposed to be a massive blizzard with 40-mile-an-hour winds and 25 below zero wind chill factor. So we'll see. It's pretty interesting right now. It's just snow. Not too much. It's a little breeze. You can see the cows down there by the bulldozer. We moved the bulldozer so they'd have a windbreak, but the wind is starting to pick up and the snow's coming down, so we're going to go now take the skid steer down there and make another windbreak so they'll have a L shape to get out of the wind, because it's coming. Okay, well, we're at 3 degrees right now, and the wind is blowing and the snow's coming down, and what we're going to do is take this tractor over here and help block off the wind. The poor cows are over there in the corner. They're covered in snow and they're all huddled together. I feel so bad for them. So Larry's gonna put that up at in the front of the dozer there, and then we're gonna go get the skid steer and try to put it in the back. every now and then a gust will come through here. I can hear it in the trees right now. See them? Yeah, it is really cold, and it's going to be way colder than this tonight. We're only at noontime right now. Alright, we got the skid steer going in now. Hey girl, what you doing? Hey, you're jumping and everything. Wow. Comes another gust. They're all going bonkers. Here they come. Look behind you. Okay, we got the fireplace burning. We're going to be okay inside the house, but the poor cows outside, they're not doing, I mean, they're going to be okay, but they're cold. Thank you for watching Viking Mountain Ranch. Stay warm. To be continued. Check back in a couple days for part 2 of the blizzard.